What's up, everybody? Detoy Jeeps back. Doing an update today. I just got a phone call from 4x4 Outlaws. They got all my parts in for my suspension. They're gonna be upgrading my suspension, so it's 4:44 p.m. They close at 5. I'm gonna go drop off the Jeep, and they're gonna work on it all day tomorrow, and I should be able to pick it up tomorrow afternoon. So I will film once we get there. Alright, we're about 2 minutes away from the shop that's going to be working on the Jeep. I just wanted to go ahead and start recording again. So up here on the right hand side, this is in Silver Springs, Ocala. It's called OutLaw 4x4. They do custom work, fabrications, anything that you need on your Jeep. Should be coming up to it now on the right hand side. Past the gas station here. You'll see the big sign on the right side. You should be coming up to, I'm going to say it's right up here. Just make sure. Oh, here we go. OutLaw Off-Road 4x4. That's the name of it. See it right there? OutLaw Off-Road. Custom work, fabrication. They're gonna be working on my Jeep. So tomorrow I'll get it back and I'll hit you up so you can see the results. Check out this thing over here. Look at this custom. How's it going? Is Mike back? He's inside? Man, this thing's nice.
Like yours look like that.
What was that?
Like yours look like that.
Alright folks, here's the continuation of when I took the car to Outlaw 4x4, not the car, the Jeep. But here's the updates on what was done. I actually had the Terraflix ball joints installed. I had the steering stabilizer. I had the quick disconnects, which you can see here. Quick disconnects. The track bar. And that's about it. And then the labor. As you can see, everything was done nice and neat. Highly recommend it. If you're interested, send me the information. Let me know and I'll give you the address, but you can also see it online. Take care, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with new tires.